life gives you a lot of lemons.
These days my garden is blooming with lots of giant lemons, and they taste so amazing that I love to prepare so many recipes out of lemons these days. As a rich source of vitamin C, lemon protects the body from immune system deficiencies. With its powerful antibacterial properties, lemon helps fight infections, also acts as a detoxifying agent.
Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to store the lemons throughout the year by making pickles from the lemons.
Thoroughly clean the lemons. Trim the nubs of both ends of each lemon. Remove the seeds and the white pith. Cut the lemons into cubes.
Mix together the lemon, salt and turmeric powder, haldi. Mix really well. Press the lemons in the jar tightly so that the lemon juice covers the lemon pieces. Cover the jar with a lid and place it under the sun for 10 days or until the lemons are soft enough, tossing the jar occasionally. Now it's time to let lemons turn into pickle. Once it turns into pickle, you can either make sweet pickle or you can make hot pickle. Now since the nature of lemon is sour, it makes the great sweet and sour or hot and sour pickle. We totally love, our whole family actually love the sweet and sour or the hot and sour pickle. So it is a great way for us to prepare the pickle in a bulk. And not only that, I make many recipes using lemons because I got the whole tree in my backyard that gives a lot of lemons. So in order to make the sweet pickle, jaggery or sugar can be used. Jaggery is basically gur, and you can use other sweetener that you use in the cooking, but the key is to turn the sugar into syrup to keep the pickle for longer. If you want to make instant pickles, you have to keep the pickles into the refrigerator. So the traditional way of preparing the pickle is the best if you want to preserve the lemons throughout the year at room temperature. From half of the lemons, I'm going to make hot and sour pickle. For the hot pickle, sambar masala is made out of 1/4 cup of ground fenugreek seeds, methi, 1/2 cup of mild chili powder, lal mirch, a pinch of turmeric, haldi, a pinch of asafoetida hing, 2 tablespoons oil. Mix it all. Hot and sour lemon pickle is ready. Let it marinate for a few hours before using for the best flavor. Now from the remaining half of the lemons, I'm going to prepare sweet pickle. To prepare sweet pickle, I'm going to use jaggery, gur, also known as 1 cup of gur, or can be added as per your taste preference. Once I add the jaggery into the lemons, I allow the lemons to rest an overnight or at least 6 to 8 hours to melt the jaggery. This step is totally optional. You can start preparing the pickle immediately. So into the pot, take the mixture. As you can see, the jaggery has melted, and not all of it though. Now I'm going to cook until the syrup gets slightly thicker. And if the sugar syrup is cooked well, the pickle can be preserved throughout the year at the room temperature without any problem. Once the syrup is thick, after about 20 minutes, remove the pot off of the stove and add red chili powder as per your taste. I use mild variety for the best color. A pinch of hing, asafoetida, 2 tablespoons oil. Mix it all really well. So the sweet and sour pickle is ready as well and ready to enjoy with many Indian meals. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download the Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your Android, iOS devices. If you want to watch me on the big screen, you can watch me on a Roku channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.